Drunk as hell this night on the stereo. Place your hands in mine, so very old, and breathe the silence there to be won. And in the night affairs to be done, I'm waiting for a lifeline to hold me. I'm waiting for a lifeline to hold me. I'm waiting for a lifeline to hold me. I'm waiting for a lifeline to hold me over my head. Hold my homeless house on the merry-go. Place your hands in mine, so let go. Light years away from me, God, why can't you see?
Hiya.
I'm waiting for a lifeline to hold me. I'm waiting for a lifeline to hold me. I'm waiting for a lifeline to hold me. I'm waiting for a lifeline to hold me over. Hold my father's
Yeah, you can be in there.
soul, and I lost it all.
Never miss a moment of getting your kit off.
Well, Lanny, you haven't been out for God knows how long, and look what the weather you've brought.
Light years away from me.
So we've just been for a wander and got some water,
And
which I thought Leslie needed as well, but apparently she didn't.
I had my own.
So we marched all over Burbage Valley and we have found some quite good spots, I think, which will feature in future videos, but nobody's going to know where. And then we've come back up to Carl Wark because Shane was holding the fort.
Literally. Nobody else has been here.
And he's managed to get his lanshan up a pretty nice pitch. So we just had a rainstorm go over, which they've been doing all the time, and we are going to get our shelters up now. I think it stopped. Cracking. And we're finally set up. It's taken me ages. So Shane's in his lanshan. We were just sort of debating how far to have the tents apart. So I've got my skull there with a tarp over the top of it just to give me some protection. Leslie's in her wild country something or other over there. She's well organised. So I'm just going to get something on. I've got a time lapse on the go. I don't know if you can see the camera up there. I'll let you know how that goes. The skies are looking quite clear. All the big black clouds seem to have gone. Thank goodness. We've had a couple of nasty downpours. It's
You can't pay for the Peak District, could they?
I mean, you saw on the... Oh, I ain't done my thingy.
Oh yeah, on the live. Oh God, what time is it? Oh, hang on.
We've had some challenging weather, really. We've had quite a few quite heavy rain storms coming down. I checked my oath. That's not far off, Tyler. I am 60 this year. It's just one of them things, isn't it, Paul? Believe me, mate, when you get older, they get worse. Once your knees are gone, your knees are gone. Do you remember that Baz Luhrmann song? Look after your knees, you'll miss them when they're gone. Dead right. Thank you so much for all joining in. I will stay safe, Paul, thank you. And I really appreciate you coming on, mate, thank you. See you around, and the video will be out on Monday. When I went to Filey with it, I'd regularly cycle to Pete's in Beverley and back. That's like, well, it's an hour and a half on the motorway, isn't it?
Dinner's all right in the end, is it?
17.
Dinner's saved.
It's going to be all right.
You want to write to the manufacturers and let them know.
Yeah, that it was lovely last night. Just been nearly the whole night. I slept with it open. Right down to about there. So I've just been watching out.
Oh, that's what I like to do.
Do we have to do this?
And that's the end of a fantastic video with close friends. Really good. Very much
camp
enjoyed
ever.
that. Best camp ever, of course.
It was quite good, I suppose. Had its moments.
I'm not going to do a walk-off video. This is going to be the end of the video. So that was great. In the peaks again next week with Shane and Paul. Paul's got some time off work, so that'll be great. So I'll look forward to seeing you then. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and do all that good stuff. And I look forward to reading your comments. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.